And we've got a problem. What a bunch of lazy calves. So we rented this no-till drill from the Soil Conservation District. We're gonna be able to use it for a couple days. My dad's gonna take it and go plant some oats in this ridge line over here. That's just some ground that we haven't worked up. And then Jaques is gonna be taking our planter and he's gonna go and be planting some fields that we worked up last year. He's gonna be putting oats and peas in those. So hopefully we can get these fields all planted by the end of the week. If you guys want to see something goofy, watch this. All right, Freya. Come on. It's not yours. It's garbage. Freya. You silly dog. This is Jaques' dog, Freya. She comes and visits me every day while I'm feeding the calves. Is that pretty fun? Yeah. You've got a lot of energy. So my wife has been giving me a hard time. She's been saying, Carson, you either got to get me a dog or we got to make a baby. So we got a dog. Come here, little guy. He still doesn't know what to think about me. He's a little nervous around me. But he loves Damaris. Come here, buddy. I wouldn't be too sure about me either. It's okay. Come here, little guy. Yeah, it's all right. Hey, come back here. Come on, it's all right. Hey. But his name is Dutch. He's a little mini Australian Shepherd. Just kind of like the one my parents have. We got him from some family friends who wanted to rehome him. He had a little too much energy for them. So it's perfect for him out on the ranch. Come here, little guy. Come here. He won't let me pet him, but he'll follow me around then. So I don't know what to deal with. Yeah? Hey. And today I'm going to disc 2 fields and then we'll come back and harrow those ones in the future too. And my dad and Jaques are just gonna keep on planting. Sounds like everything's going good there. I got some little treats, we'll see if that helps. Hi, Dutchie. Here, have a cracker. Yeah, so you're all right now. He's just like any guy. Food is the way to his heart. No, those are your treats. You don't get those all the time. Okay, okay. Pretty good looking dog. Will you sit in the tractor with me? Come on, let's go for a ride. Come on, up in the tractor. We have already chisel plowed these fields, but they haven't been worked up for like 5 to 7 years. So the soil was coming up really soddy and clumpy. That's why we're going over it again with the disc and with the harrow as well. So these big sod clumps, they make it not very friendly to plant seed in. It won't work very well at all. So disc does a good job to go and break all those clumps up. So that's what we're using it for. And we've got a problem. Let's see how bad it is. Oof. This whole bar just broke. Oh man, that is a bummer. Hoping to get done with all this today. Yeah, this bar runs in right in the middle of all the discs, and it just snapped. Good grief. Here you can see. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to my dad. I'll call him and see what he's got to say.
Hello?
Hey, Dad.
Hey.
So I'm disking in front of the house.
Yep.
And, you know, there's that steel rod that runs through the center of all the discs.
Yep.
Yeah, one of those broke.
Rod broke?
Yeah.
Like a 2-inch rod?
Yeah, the 2-inch rod did.
Uh-oh.
You think they'd have another one in Bell, or?
We could call and see.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll just have to call them and see. Just tell them the model number of disc and what it is. So.
Alright, I'll call him.
Is there a bearing that was out or something?
There could have been. I sent you a picture. It just snapped right in the middle.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Yeah, just call over to Girls Bridge and see. They might have one.
Okay.
Anyway, you might have to get a couple bearings. As long as you have it to put on there.
Okay. Sounds good.
Might be a good idea just to replace them. Closets and parts.
What's that?
I said it'd probably be a good idea to replace them as long as it's parked.
Okay. Sounds good. Alright, I'll let you go. Bye. I think what happened is I just got into some real big soddy stuff, and it just put too much pressure. Snapped the bar because it also knocked the tire off the bead here. So I'm gonna bring the tire in as well. Go get that fixed. Quick stop at the tire shop, and I'm gonna run over and get some parts. Okay. So I got a brand new tire. Gonna stick that baby on, and then the piece that I broke was this big shaft. I got a new one. They call it a gang bolt. It's a pretty solid piece of metal. So just snap in half. So I must have been going too fast. But now's the tricky part. Gonna be getting these bolts off, getting that out, and putting all these pieces together the way it was. I also got a couple new bearings that sit in here that I'll put in there, because maybe one of those went out and that's why it quit spinning and it broke the thing. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. So my plan, if I try and spin this, the bar just spins. So I put this wrench on here and I'm hoping it'll just catch up against this metal piece, and then I can twist these nuts off. Or Dutch, hey, come here. I might need your help, buddy. You might have to hold that wrench, okay? Can you do that for me? No, he's no help. See if I'm tough enough to loosen these nuts up. breaker bar for sure. Oh man. I don't know about that. Hey, we got it. Nice. Did you see that duck? Here, buddy, look at this. This is what you were supposed to help me with. Alright, we got her all apart and in pieces. Hopefully I can remember the order that they go back on. Just need to get these bearings out. This little deal is kind of stuck in there too, but once I get those, I should be able to put her back on. I didn't get it all put back together. I'm probably gonna have to finish it up in the morning. I kind of needed another couple hands because it all gets to be pretty heavy, but yeah, thank you guys for coming along, really appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next video. I hope you're all doing well. Take care.